As a Mexican American, there's something romantic about the land in Mexico. A version of you that never existed, but you feel keenly connected to. The culture of our parents goes from lived experiences to mannerisms and gestures. All of a sudden you arrive and you can fit in, but not necessarily belong. It's not a family, but it feels familiar. It's a place to remind ourselves that culture has no border, and your heritage tugs at you. An identity crisis that follows you wherever you go. Till you come here, you get a glimpse of the life your parents left behind. It makes you realize that even though you don't live here, this place knows you, recognizes you. It knows who you come from, and it always has a place for you.